What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I'm excited, right? And I get excited pretty often because anytime I see any type of movement or confirmation of what I thought was going to happen, it gets me really, really excited. Now, this may be jumping the gun here, and I see some comments that are thinking the opposite, but I like to live off of the positive things that are happening, understand the negatives, understand what could happen on the negative side, but also just being able to live off of these positives, understand these positives, and when they do happen, honestly, it's a great feeling. So I want to talk about XRP. I want to talk about the previous comments that I made, other comments that other people made, and just the overall performance of XRP right now. Because anytime I see green in the markets, it does make me feel pretty excited, right? So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you can check out any of the links, feel free to check those out in the description. It does really help out the channel, whether it's BTCC or any other, affiliate link or links that I have down there. It really does help me out and helps out the growth of the channel. So, anyways, yesterday or not yesterday, I don't know exactly when that was. 2 days ago, might have. I made comments talking about tax day and how tax day is very, very important for the stock market, for the crypto market, for anybody that's really getting into investing or understanding the investing world. The reason being is because for most people that are experienced in investing, when you start making money, elsewhere, if you have a business or if you make money through the last year of investing, anything that you've gained, you know that you have to what? Pay taxes on those gains. And when you gather up everything that you made, so let's say you were consistently making money throughout the year, you may have to pay, 10,000, 20,000, 50 or 100 or maybe even more than that, thousands of dollars, potentially millions of dollars on tax day because of how much money that you made. With a business, you pay, quarterly, you can pay as you go basically. But for investments that you make throughout the year, you're going to end up paying for that at the end of the year, most likely. So you pay a large lump sum, meaning that most people will take money out of where they're storing that tax money. So it could be $100,000 that you put somewhere that's gaining you something, and you're taking it out of the markets at that moment. So with that being said, you have a large tax liability that's coming out of the markets, whatever markets that is. So typically you see some negativity. So after tax day, it ends up being positive, whether it's small positive or, one day is slightly positive, next day is more aggressive, more aggressive, more aggressive as you go along. May, you tend to see a lot more of a push with cryptocurrency, and that's why it gets me excited about what XRP will be. As the years went on, I've become a big fan of holding long term, but also making your holdings work for you. And this is something that the video sponsor of this video, FortisX, is offering. Keep your holdings working with you, right? Working with FortisX. With their liquidity pools, their managed staking, their ability to earn up to 20.06% variable APY. With, get this, no lockups, withdraw anytime, and you could trade things like XRP, Ethereum, USDT, and many other things. It's built for what we are, which is long-term holders and giving us the value in what we are holding. And something interesting that they're doing is they're actually working on becoming publicly visible within the US regulatory system, which is something that not a lot of companies in general, crypto companies, are looking to do, have the willingness to do, and it's something that can provide that next level of security that you really want with something like this, with a business like this. So I want you guys to check it out. There's a link down below for FortisX. Again, they have a lot of things that are going for them, built for trust, designed for long-term yield, operating since 2018, no KYC that's required, withdraw anytime, and they have public leadership. You can go through and understand how much you can earn, and you can get started today. So just to give you an example of a portfolio, you have $100 here, that was invested into USDT, into that liquidity pool, and it's at $100.28, gaining 28 cents over that short period of time. Very simple to use, very easy to understand, a user-friendly experience. So if you guys want to check out FortisX, I will leave a link at the top of the description where you guys can get started today and hopefully make 20% APY and make your money work for you. Again, check it out, link at the top of the description, and thank you FortisX for sponsoring this video. So currently, XRP sits at $1.40. It is up by 3% in the last 24 hours, which is great to see. It's at a $86 to $87 billion market cap. Nowhere near where it was at its high point for 2025, seeing a $3.65 price or a $210 billion market cap. But you are seeing $3.63 billion worth of volume, up 49%. So you have a lot of interest on the buy side where people are excited about it because it's after tax day. Yesterday, you had even me that had to pay a decent amount in taxes. And now I'm ready to make some purchases, if I have any freedom with any money. So as I move along, I'll start making a little bit more purchases for or with my extra money into the cryptocurrency market. So you may see some videos talking about a brand new project that I bought or something, right? But the fully diluted value for this is $140 billion market cap because there is only 61, almost 62% of the circulating supply or of the total supply. So 62 billion coins. We do have 500,000+ holders here, but you can see the movement in the last 24 hours. What does that chart show you? That it's consistently moving up. It wasn't something that absolutely started to skyrocket. It didn't get to a ridiculous level at those points. It's slowly making its move from $1.36 to $1.40, back down to $1.38, up to $1.41, kind of hovering around that $1.40 to $1.41 level, and then seeing it jump to $1.42 before being right now at $1.40 again. So we're going to see that consistent movement to where it's moving this way. Actually, let me change that. So it's moving this way. So it's the same direction as the chart. It's moving this way. And you're seeing it consistently grow, consistently get better because of the money that can flow into it. You have 50% increase in volume, meaning that you have a lot more volume that's going into it. So I'm very excited of what this is going to be. Now, the reason why I'm not looking at the overall market and saying, hey, I'm excited about the overall market. One, I am. I'm just kind of dialing it down to one single position. The reason why I'm focusing on XRP is because I feel, and many others feel, that XRP is going to be the top altcoin, for this next, let's say, bull run, if we're not already still kind of in it. For this next larger push, you will see XRP kind of take over spots and be more and more important, more and more relevant, more and more usable within that time frame because of all of the things that are going on. Right? We talk about XRP being potentially utilized as a form of payment there. Cross-border payments. We're talking about a major banking implementation where it can be heavily utilized in our normal banking system. And what many people fail to realize with XRP is that this is not just something that is a US thing. Yes, created by a US company and, obviously in talks with US government and a lot of US banks, but it also is in conversation with international banks and different countries and different businesses around the world. This is not just something that will be like, all right, well, we'll use in just Pennsylvania, or we'll use in certain parts of the country, certain parts of the United States. No, we're going to be able to utilize it in Canada, Mexico, Japan, right? Just all around. And that's what people fail to realize, that it's not something where you're like, all right, you look at it and compare it just to the US flow of money, but we're talking about the worldwide flow of money. and how that can be implemented, because it's so easy to just go, I want to send XRP to this country or this business or this bank. And guess what? It happens literally in the snap of a finger. Literally, when you go, I'm sending this, by the time you finish that sentence that you're sending it, it's already been sent and it's already there. That's the magic of what we have with XRP and how far this can go. So it is still, speculative, but many others believe the same thing. 1.8 million followers on CoinMarketCap, 500 plus thousand holders, and you have a lot of people that are just wanting, salivating at the growth potential of XRP and how far it can go and how it can be usable. Because in my opinion, when I look at cryptocurrencies across the board, I think XRP is the most usable, the most logical when it comes to what we want out of cryptocurrency. It's like, that is it. So let's go. Let's all get on board. Right now, guys, I want to know what you guys think in the comment section below. I know we have some people that are like, nothing's going to happen. And, usually when we all think that nothing's going to happen, something definitely happens. When we all think that something's going to happen, nothing happens. But I can be the only one that thinks that things are going to happen, and we end up seeing things skyrocket. So I want to know what you guys think in the comment section below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.